You are my favorite. You're absolutely my favorite.
I'm mostly just talking to myself here.
Just kidding. Okay, well, I am, but I'm talking to you. So today we're going to talk about dew, which is condensation, but close to the ground, which makes it like a cloud. Let me see if you can follow this. Watch carefully. You see that? You see that? It's condensation. It's evaporating though. So, can you explain why the water vapor condensed on this mirror and why it's evaporating? Well, the mirror is cool and my body temperature is warm. So that means that the water vapor particles, when I'm breathing out, are warm. And when they hit this cold mirror, all they need to do is condense together and they form little tiny particles of water. See that? And now it's evaporating because the air molecules in the room are bouncing off of it and making it evaporate. It's all part of the water cycle. Today we're going to talk about dew. You remember that time when you were out in the summer and it didn't rain, but you were running through the grass? It was either in the morning or after sunset, and your shoes or your feet got all wet from the grass, from the dew in the grass. Well, today you're going to make condensation in the lab. There is a video for you to watch to prepare yourself to do it. And then you're going to go back in the lab and you can use a partner if you want and follow the directions really carefully. Fill in the information. There's a little tiny bit of math, like one subtraction problem. If you can't do it, if you hate numbers, well, you can use your calculator. There's one on the wall, or you can use your phone if you want. All right, follow the procedure, which is a fancy name for directions. Use the scientific method. Make a prediction with your hypothesis. See if you can't find the answer to the question, which is, what would the dew temperature in this room? At what temperature does it have to be for dew to happen in this room? I mean, you come in and the tables and desks are not wet from dew. It's because we keep it at a certain temperature and the air is moving, right? So what temperature would it have to be in the room right now for condensation to form, for dew to form on our surfaces? This is what you're going to find out in the lab today. It is your ticket out the door if you are in class. If you are not in class today, please make sure you watch the video, but you do not have to complete any other part of the lab. All right, you guys are going to love this. Do the dew lab, that is.